This is the brightness after turning on the light in this room. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys. If this is your first time of being on this channel, you are welcome guys. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I'm super grateful to you. Thank you so much for all your thumbs up to my videos. Thank you for your comments. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please leave me a thumbs up for this video and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section.
A few moments later.
So guys, today, just like the title of this video says, I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light from Jumia. I've waited all my life, yes, like all my life on YouTube, trying to get a ring light or to get a perfect lighting for my videos. So take for instance, you can see my background right now. You can see the shadow. Like, I deal with this every other time, trying to get out a quality video out on YouTube, and sometimes I even have to put my other phone at the background just to get another lighting that will suit or that will make me the focus of the video. So take for instance, I have my phone here. I use my phone to bring this light so you can see the difference guys. So yeah, so I literally just have to try to do a lot trying to get perfect lighting. But if you cannot afford a ring light at this stage, I feel like if you have 2 phones or 3 phones, you could just put the torch light on and keep it just behind your camera or behind your filming phone and let it supply more light into you. So that's why I'm having all of these shadows behind me. Guys, I had to get a ring light because it's really not easy trying to put my other phone behind me to get this, and even at that, it still doesn't give me a quality video. I got a ring light because of the bad power electricity problem or situation in Nigeria. If you live in Nigeria, or you have lived in Nigeria, or maybe you live in a region that power supply is really just a problem, then I feel like you should get a ring light. Then I also think getting a ring light just helps you choose the type of lighting you want to use. For instance, I think ring lights usually have 2 colors, the white and the orange color, so you just pick the one that suits your your image and all that. So let's do this together. I'm going to be unboxing this ring light and I'll be trying to install it, because I have never installed a ring light before. So guys, we will have to do this together and let's see the difference. So at some point I'm going to have to turn off all the lights in this room and we just have to use the ring lights and see what the difference really is. Don't go anywhere guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to be unboxing my ring light and we'll start the installation. So this is the box. Ta-da! Oh, I turned this upside down. Yep. So I'll go straight to unbox this, and once I can set this properly, I will have to turn off all the lights in this room so we can see the difference. Let's get right into this. Yeah. Okay, this is the tripod guys. This is the tripod. Ooh, what fell down? Yeah. So yeah, let's set this up guys. So guys, I'm trying to understand what is which should be first. Okay, so I'm getting it. Oh wow, so I just have to take it easy, guys, so you don't ruin anything. Yeah, then you tighten it. So I'm just trying to tie the knots, guys, and I'm also trying to know which is next, so let's keep trying together. Okay, this should be the phone tripod. This is to help the phone have a balance. Okay, unfortunately there is no manual on this, so I just have to try my best, guys. Yes, till we get it right? I'm so excited. So I can drop this on the floor now. This is very high, guys. Like, this is already on the floor. It's very high. Yeah, this is so nice. Feels so good, guys. So let's fix the other components, guys, till we get this done. So guys, our tripod is ready. So to make it stand or to make it stay, you just twist a little and it just has a balance. You untwist and it falls. So if you want this to be, you twist it like this and it stays. So I feel like until I put this light, the ring itself, I would know what height that I want, because I want to feel myself sitting. So I feel like this height is actually okay. So the next thing you do is to take the ring, and you put it easily, knot it easily in, just tighten it. So this, so this is firm. This is firm. This is what it looks like. So I'm making the ring the side that will supply the light to face me. So just twist a little of it. You can actually unwind this wire. Now the next thing you would do, guys, is to plug the lights. Plug it to light. Guys, this is the USB. This is the wire. So you take it to talk to lights. You need to charge it, guys. So that's what I'm about to do. So I have a head charger here. So I'm just going to put this. You can literally use any type of head charger for this. Yeah, so I'll just take it into lights. So I'll just charge it to the lights. Yep, see this, guys? So the light comes on. So this is where, so I feel like this is still very high for me. I'm going to have to bring it down. Yeah, guys, so a ring light is ready. Now I need to put the phone balance to hold the phone. This is it. And this is another knot. Remember, guys, all these things are from the past, so I'll just gently knot this in here. So there is a knotting place here which I'm going to have to knot this like this, but first I need to put this one easily. Oops. So tighten it. I think this is fine. Yeah, so the next would be for me to put my phone holder, just to tighten it here. Yep. Yeah, so, and this is the knot to make this very firm, so I'll tighten it here. Yeah. Okay, this is it. So guys, the ring light is ready and I want to turn it on. Ta-da! Okay, so this is still very high. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Guys, you see the difference? Ta-da! Hey! So this is where I'm going to place my phone and start my recording. Oops. So let me see if this light has different levels. Yeah, you can actually reduce it. Like this is like the lowest of it, and you can increase it. Remember guys, I'm using this to increase or decrease it. I'm still charging it guys, so that's why. Here, so we have a plus button here, and we have a minus button here, and we have the power button here. So this is what I'm using to control the lights. So if I want to increase it, I have to keep pressing the plus button, and if I want to reduce it, I'll click the minus button. So you see this guys. So because I want the light to be bright, I don't have sufficient lighting in my room, so I have to keep increasing the lights, and just so I can kill the shadow. Yeah, I feel like this doesn't have shadow so much. Yep. Yeah. Okay, so remember guys, I still have my other phone which I'm using to provide me some light, so I'm going to turn it off here. This is it. This is what I was using guys, so I'll have to turn it off and place it here. So this is how to use this. See, this can actually stretch to contain any phone size, so I'll do this very quickly. Yeah, see this guys. So because it's proper for you to record film your video landscape if you're using a phone, so I will have to put it landscape. Hey, and here is my control. So turn it off, turn it on. So guys, I'm going to turn off the lights in this room, and let's see the amount of difference this will give us. Let's see this. Okay guys, so I've turned off the lights in my room right now. So this is it. Yay, see the ring light. This is the lowest of it. I think I dimmed it very low, so I will just increase. Yeah, so this is it guys. I love this ring light. Like I really love it. It's what I wanted, so I'm very happy. Mind you guys, the lighting you're seeing right now is not from this phone. It's from the recording phone or the filming phone, which is a bit farther from me. So I feel like if I have that phone on this platform like here, so I feel like it's going to give me more brightness than what I'm currently seeing on that phone. So let's take for instance this. Let me just bring it closer. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so if I place it here, see guys, I literally have so much brightness here. So let me take it back so we can have the ring lights as the focus here. So I love this ring light. It's very portable. It's fine. It's quite big. Hey, hey. So if you're a photographer, this is good for you as well. This is good for vlogging as well. This is good for food videos. So if I'm literally going to be filming my food videos, I feel like I'm going to have more brightness to my to my pictures and to my video. I'm super grateful. I love it. And guys, ask me anything in the comment section. Anything, guys. The price, anything. Just ask me anything in the comment section. So this is the brightness you guys are gonna be seeing from today onwards. Then it also means that I would be able to do night filming. Yes, because this is night and all the lights in this room are switched off. So let me just go now and turn the lights on, and let's see how much brightness we can have to our background. I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, this is the brightness after turning on the lights in this room. Oops. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. I think it's here. Is it here or here? Please subscribe, guys. The red button just down below. Kindly subscribe. Hit the notification bell and let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave me a thumbs up for this video. Please watch my other videos and let me know what your thoughts are. If you have any question regarding this ring light or the ring light video, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to all of your questions. I'll see you in my next video, guys. So for now, let me keep enjoying my ring light. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.